basically, when it comes to working with TikTok ads, let me show you how we're going to get into the nitty-gritty details and in-depth features of this. So, to start things off, what we are going to be doing is we're going to go into ad apps. Once we go into ad apps, we're going to come to Shopify App Store. And while we do that, you're also going to want to come here and write TikTok for ads. And you're going to get TikTok for business. So you're going to go ahead and sign up with TikTok business as well. Now, I already have an account, so I'm not going to show you the whole sign up procedure, but you're going to sign up with the TikTok for business account. And once you do that, you're going to come to your Shopify store and you're going to write TikTok. And once you write TikTok, you're going to basically download TikTok over here. So basically, what's going to happen is once you've created your TikTok for business account, you're going to generate your ads in your TikTok for business. And then you're going to connect your TikTok for business account with your Shopify over here. And then start importing your ads into your Shopify. And that is how you are going to go ahead and do TikTok ads for Shopify dropshipping.
I want you, first thing that you want to do is to go and click on the upper left corner. You see the small live icon. Click on live and let's scroll through the businesses. As you can see over here, now people are using their regular daily lifestyle to make a lot of money on TikTok. For example, what you usually do every single day, you can simply live stream it and give tips, give your opinions, give your expectations and predictions, and simply make money. You don't have to set aside a particular day or time of your day to make a specific video and then publish it. You see, somebody anyway will be sitting at home trading stocks, looking at the charts, and they will be getting a lot of tips. They will be making a lot of money over here. As you can see, there are a lot of people engaged, 18,000 likes on this particular live stream. Just think about this. Somebody else is doing the exact same thing. So this is another validation that this obviously works. Think about it. Who will be losing their time live streaming if things are not working, if they don't make money, right? There's no point of it. If you scroll down, there are other people who are simply, live streaming the news. Imagine how amazing this is. So there are people at home who, probably retired or, they don't work, and they will be sitting at home watching TV. But instead of that, they will be home and watching somebody live streaming this. Probably they're adding some comments. They're giving different points of view. They're highlighting stuff that are not obvious. This is what I'm trying to tell you guys. All you gotta do is you gotta utilize your daily activities. Anyway you will be waking up, anyway you will be scrolling through the news, anyway you will be trying to capitalize on the actual news or content. Why wouldn't you simply make money throughout the process by simply live streaming the process? This is what I want to highlight, guys. Nobody talks about this, okay? People are just talking about brand deals, drop shipping, stuff that they might still work, but they're oversaturated. So what you see over here is like, somebody just, they will be practicing playing the piano or playing the guitar, and they will be doing a live stream, and people will be enjoying, sending tips, probably asking questions. This is the path if you really want to sell your own educational program, because now you live stream every day. People see that you're actually doing stuff, the business, and they can actually trust you and buy the whole program or course from you. This is how you're going to be making a lot of money in 2024, guys. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where it says your profile. You click on your profile, and then you want to head to the top and click on the 3 straight lines. Then you want to head towards settings and privacy, the last option. Now you want to slowly scroll down to the display section over here. You want to click on display, and here you can manually set the switch between light and dark mode. You can also use the device manual settings. For example, if I go back to the light mode and then simply click on use device settings, I will get match of my original theme on my phone. I'm using an iPhone, and as you saw, I'm using a dark theme simply because the app TikTok match my device settings. This is very important and very useful, considering that if you are using a dark theme, you probably don't want to use the brighter theme or white theme or light theme on any of the other platforms, because switching from dark to bright, it's not good for your eyes, right? It's It might be irritating, it might be creating a particular like irritation. So I presume that this is something that will help you as well. It helped me a lot having all the theme, all the dark modes all aligned. So every time when I'm switching from Instagram to Facebook to TikTok to LinkedIn, everything is a dark mode, so it's much easier for the eye to simply adjust with the light and with the contrast. Go on your profile and then click on the upper right side where you see the three straight lines. We are going to go on settings and privacy. And then guys, I want you to scroll down to the section content and display. Here I want you to click on content preferences. In this section over here, the second option is stem feed. When you click on it, you have the option to turn this on and turn this off. This feed simply allows you to from time to time learn something new that is not the usual hype or the usual trending videos. It's very good, it's very interesting, especially if you have to kill a lot of time and there's nothing to do. You can pop up and learn something about science, technology, engineering, and math. If we go back over here after we turn this on, we can simply go and see that the stem it's right over here and we have it back. There are more things that are popping up with the recent updates, as you can see over here. Now the shop appears as well on the upper settings menu. And you want to make sure that you copy your actual username. Currently it's copied. Then you gotta go back on Facebook. You want to click on the lower right corner where is your profile picture. When you click on your profile picture, you're gonna be sent to your account. When you're on your account, you will see that you have the three dots option as a button on the menu. You click on it and then you want to click on edit. When you click on edit, you want to scroll all the way down to the last section, which is links. You want to click edit your about you section and you want to edit more links. The first option is that you are actually able to add social links. This is the place where it says username. You simply paste the link that you copy or your username that you copy from TikTok. After that, all you gotta do is to save the changes on the way up. For example, there is a save on the top right corner. And then you can go back up and this will appear in your bio alongside any other social media account that you linked with. Remember, you have to copy the exact username that you have and you have to save the changes. Let's find the video that we want to repost. For example, let's repost this video over here. You want to click on the arrow over here and then you see you have three different slides of menus. All you want to do is you want to focus on the middle slide over here and you want to click on the first icon, the yellow one, which says repost. When you click repost, guess what? I just repost the video. Now you probably wonder what actually happened. Let's go back to our account and see what actually happened. If you refresh your TikTok account, right, you're not going to find the video over here. Your video will be located in the third menu on the middle of the screen. If you can see, you have filtered by your most popular and recent videos, right? Latest and popular. Then you have a stories archive. And the third option will be reposted content. This is where you're going to find this video over here. And this is how you actually repost videos or content on TikTok and where to find the reposted content. Let's say, for example, we want to send a message to, I don't know, Alex Hermosi. Okay, you click on the profile and when you're at the profile you have the option, if they allow you to send a message, you click message to the person and there you have it. That's the legitimate account of Alex Hermosi. You can see 795,000 followers. You can send whatever message you like to, and the slim part over here, you want to make sure that your messages are very, very good, informative and straight to the point, because you only can send up to 3 messages until he accepts your first message. In other words, if you say hi and then wait for reply, he doesn't reply, then you say, I hope you're doing well, and then he doesn't reply, and then you have one more message, and it could be I'm not sure you saw my previous two messages and you're done. So this is why you can probably skip the welcoming part and the etiquette, and you just jump straight to the point. Hey Alex, for example, I want the. Another pro tip over here would be to write two very long messages probably, and then if he doesn't reply, then you still have the option to poke him again. Things happen. You might end up messaging him in the busiest day of his life, right? And you simply are out of luck. So this is why you always want to keep one additional chance to send a quick poke message to let him know he can go back and read the two other messages. You want to scroll through your feed. Let's say we want to download this video, right? You want to click on the arrow over here under the comment section. You get three menus popping out. You see 1, 2, 3. You want to click on the second one over here, and you want to click on the blue icon, copy link. Okay. And I want you to head on Google Chrome, and I want you to look for this app over here. It's called Snaptic. Snaptic will offer you downloading videos for free without watermark. You want to click on Snaptic. You want to hit this search box, right? And I want you to paste the link that we just copied. Then I want to hit paste. Then you click download. As you can see, the app processed very fast the actual video, and you have two options over here to download in different qualities. I just want to give you a quick heads up. Be very careful where you're clicking, okay? Make sure that you click on the right button over here. But this is how you download for free videos from TikTok without watermark.
Let's say I'm going to go on GitHub, okay? And I'm going to search up Maze C++. Let's just search that up. And I'm going to write Maze C++. And once you write that, look at this. You can start getting maze generators. Let's say we have this maze generator and this person created it in C++, right? We're going to go in this. So it's a recursive backtracker maze generator. And this person has, explained it. So this is the maze generator. You're going to write that and look at that. It's going to generate a whole maze that you can work in. You can walk through it. You get the dependency. You get the compiling. It gives you the whole code over here as well with the files. So, you can actually get the whole code by copying it and installing it. You can go to the actual file to get the code for yourself as well. And that is what GitHub mainly is for. So upload code, get code, and just talk with other people regarding coding. And that is basically about it. So that's GitHub. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Trello tutorial, how to use Trello. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can use Trello for yourself in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. So to do this, what you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to come to Trello.com, create an account. Now, to use Trello, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Create, and you can actually create a board. So you're going to click on Create a Board, and once you click on Create a Board, you're going to enter any board title for yourself and get that board up and running. Now, once you get that board up and running, so let's say I've created this board for myself, right? I'm going to go straight into this board. It's going to look somewhat like this, okay? Now, how do you add things in this? So to add components, first of all, you're going to click on list, and look at that. You can add lists for yourself. So, it's pretty easy to add lists. Then in the lists, you can add cards and just keep on adding more cards. And to edit those cards, you're going to click on them, and you can change their descriptions. You can change their activity statuses, and you can change every other aspect of it, like members, labels, checklist, dates, attachment, cover, custom fields, dependency, estimation, and all these things. Pretty straightforward and pretty easy stuff to get your head around. And that is how you're going to use Trello. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. MailChimp tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about MailChimp and how you can use this absolutely incredible software, okay? So to start off with MailChimp, what you are going to want to be doing is obviously you're going to, sign up with an account. Now, what is MailChimp used for? MailChimp, in my opinion, is best for any type of email marketing that you want to, do for yourself. It's great for any type of sales CRM. It's great for lead generation. It's good for your sales. It's good for getting your company up and running. And the best part about this is that it actually has a free platform to sign in with. So you can sign up with it pretty easily. Okay, just go into sign up for free. Now, once you go into sign up for free, it takes you into the actual sign up gig where, add your very own business email that you want to sign up with MailChimp. Let's say I'm going to add that. Then you have, your username, and then you can add your very own password as well. Okay. After adding your password, you're going to verify everything. And once you verify everything, from there, it's going to take you into the actual, you could say, work ethic and work section of MailChimp. And that's basically how you're going to get started with it. Now, when it comes to using MailChimp, you are going to want to make sure to get a hold of a lot of, you could say, generative assistance. You can convert with email automations, create faster with generative AI, refine with segmentation, optimize with analytical things and support. You can get started easily with a personalized product tour. Okay, they give you a proper product tour, and you can see you can create actual custom journeys with automations. You can discover new ways to automate for yourself, keep your emails relevant and brand growing. And the thing is that the campaigning gives you a lot of great templates to work with, which is also pretty incredible. And you can add as many leads as you want, get as many contacts, as many customers, and as many users you want in this. Okay. And that gives you a really good general idea of how you're going to work with this. That's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye. Miro tutorial for beginners. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you Miro and how you can use this absolutely incredible software for yourself, okay? So Miro is basically, as it says, a visual workspace for innovation. So Miro allows you to create these different charts. It allows you to create these different types of boards, okay? And in those boards, you can use different elements like shapes, sticky notes, and all these other things to create a good workspace. And you can also use different boards like Kanban boards and all. And the best part about this is that you can make a whole funnel, a sales flow, and like a whole lot of other things to work with. So I would definitely urge users out there to use this software because it's absolutely incredible to get a good idea of this. And it has a lot of integrations to work with as well. So definitely go ahead with this. And I'm also going to discuss the pricings. Now, Miro also gives you things like product management, engineering. It's for IT teams, UX and design, consultation and agencies. And there's a lot of great technical diagramming, whiteboarding, wireframing, mind mapping, retrospectives, scale product planning, and process mapping. So there's a lot of great things to take from Miro. And definitely, all of you users out there should use this for yourself. It's the amazing and the most greatest thing to get for yourself. Then you have 4 plans for this as well. You have free, starter, business, enterprise. Okay, so the free plan is $0, starter plan is $8, business plan is $16, and enterprise plan is obviously the basic typical enterprise plan. Okay, and yeah, that's the general idea that you need to get when you're working with something like this. And that is basically your Miro. So thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Slack tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about Slack and how you can use this absolutely amazing application for yourself to, do your actual workspace editing in, to manage your products, manage your tasks, and keep your team up and running. So this is Slack basically, okay? So in Slack, you're going to make a workspace. So as you can see, I'm in this workspace right now. Now in this workspace, we have channels. Okay, you create channels for yourself, and you can create more channels by clicking on create a channel and, add any type of channel you want to. And if you want any assistance, you can do that as well. But as you can see, I have all these channels. So links, team chat, you have work and all these things. So let's say in team chat, I want to, I'm going to write something like, hi guys. And then you can actually, do an at and, message everyone. So it's pretty easy. It's pretty simple. And it's really nice to get a basic idea of how you're going to work with Slack. So just create channels, and in those channels, you're going to start working. Now, if you want to invite people to your workspace, what you are going to want to be doing is you're going to go to your workspace over here. Now, whoever has control of the workspace, what you can do is you can start adding people into a certain chat. So you're going to click on add coworkers, enter their name or email, and just send them an invite, and that should be it. So that's basically the idea of Slack. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Smartsheet tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Smartsheet and how you can use this absolutely incredible software. Okay, so Smartsheet is basically a flexible solution for your work. Now, it's very similar to products like ClickUp, Monday.com, Asana, Trello. Now, the reason for that is that it's great for your work management, okay? It's a great management platform. It's great for task management, great for project management. Even if you want to, manage your personal life, it's good for that because it gives you things like automations, digital assets, resource, team collab, dashboards, portfolio, proofing, account, intelligent workflows, integration, no-code work apps, and a whole lot more. So it gives you a whole repertoire to work with. It gives you the whole, you know, you could say working standard to get your head around, and it helps you a lot in working. So do make sure to get your head wrapped around this pretty well because it's an absolutely amazing software to use. And I would urge all you users out there to get a good grasp of this, to get a good idea of this, because like products like Smartsheet will help you tons. Okay. So that's pretty much the main idea about Smartsheet. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Rike tutorial. Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to be quickly talking about Rike and how you can use this platform for yourself. It's one platform to streamline all workflows for you, a single app for all departments. You can manage projects, organize work, integrate all your favorite tools, and collaborate and drive efficiency for yourself. So Rike is your, team dashboard or team planning statement where you can actually mess around with different components of your work, okay? And you can actually use Rike in different ways. So if you've used, stuff like Monday.com or you've used Asana or you've used ClickUp, then Rike will also work greatly for you. And trust me, Rike works great. It has automation, it has Gantt charts, project resource planning, and it has a great visualized dashboard where you can get tasks, processors, and a lot more. So you can see that you can get your analytics in this section as well. And these are all the organizations that use Rike. So there's P&G, Sega, Lyft, Siemens, Pfizer, Ogilvy, T-Mobile. So you have a lot of features and brands using these. Then you can auto organize your intake, custom build for your teams, gain big pictures, visibility, customer success stories. You get Aerotech, Fitbit, Inspiration. All these people use it, and it has great reviews as well. So it's great to start off with it. It's great to use, and you can actually see why Rike. So it has great marketing, professional services, PMO, creative design, also has a great CMS. You get task management, workflow management, and the best thing, project management, where you can plan agile products. Now, planning projects for yourself is a different way to work as well, because you are going to want to make sure that the management works incredibly and the management works normally when you're actually getting the basic concept and basic idea of this, okay?
This is something very few people know about, and this is how you can potentially get viral. Okay, let's launch the TikTok app, and let me show you where this actually is hidden. First thing you want to do, you want to click on the lower right corner at your profile picture. Then when you have the landing page open of your account, you want to go ahead and click on the upper right corner at the 3 straight lines. Then click on Creator Tools, the first option. So now guys, if you scroll down to the section that is called More Tools, there is a second option which is like a small fire, like a Kindle icon. You want to click on it. When you click Promote, you are able to essentially select any of your videos, and you'll be getting at least 1,000, 2,000 or 11,000 or 24,000 views by simply paying for it. Okay, me personally, I'm getting a coupon from the app. I'm not sure you guys are going to get it. It depends, I don't know, of the location probably, or depends of the usage or whatever. But you want to make sure that you go ahead and check out, and this is where you're going to select. You see product selection. You can simply select switch video, and you can scroll through your content and pick which video you want to promote. But essentially, this is it. I don't know, is it worth it? Just in the money wise, I don't know. 1,000 views, will 1,000 views get you the $5 back or $6 back? I don't know, guys, depending of the content. But this is how you promote videos on TikTok. And let's go to the lower right corner, then go all the way up to the three straight lines in the upper right, then click on Creator Tools. Now guys, we click over here on Monetization tab and we come to the first option, which is Creator Marketplace. Essentially over here, guys, you are going to put yourself for grab for partnerships and deals between you and brands, you and businesses. First thing, you want to go through the eligibility criteria. In this example over here, you need to be at least 18 years old. You need to have 10,000 real followers, guys. Obviously, TikTok improved the algorithm, so now people who are buying followers can no longer do so. The third option, of course, is that you should have at least 3 videos posted for the last 30 days. They want to target real people, because the bots, simply could create an account and not have any content published. The next requirement is to have at least 1,000 real video views or more in the last 30 days. So I think that's very, very easy to achieve. The last is, of course, that your content should follow the guidance from TikTok, the guidance from the community. Is it worth it? Well, I have a second channel with over 70,000 followers. I received 2 brand deals over there. One was from the jewelry store, like a handmade small craftsman. They offered me $400. I agree, but nothing happened, right? The deal expired without the store sending me the goods. The store is supposed to send me the goods, and I should, take a picture or small video and publish it with a small link to the product. Nothing happened. They didn't send me anything. I believe the way how the whole marketplace is structured, it's not perfect, simply because no one is following up from TikTok. No one is putting time frames between when I receive the offer. Like, for example, they don't have a time frame until the seller should ship the product, and there is no tracking system to see what is the next step, right? Everything is very random. Everything is essentially based on what the both parties agreed upon, and no one checks anything. So I couldn't say that this is the best way to make money. I couldn't say that's the worst way either. But I would say that there are a lot of companies, a lot of brands that are running like a small tournaments. For example, if you want to participate, sometimes the actual reward could be like a $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 for creating or editing a content, or creating a small like a commercial for something. I mean, if you are a video editor, if you're choreographer, if you create content for others, if you have a small social media marketing agency, probably this could be a way for you to put your company or your team on the map, so you can do stuff for someone. You can probably find somebody that you can sign up a long-term partnership, and you don't have to worry about. If somebody likes you, they can purchase a package, so you can make every month one commercial, or every week one commercial, so you can secure a big bag. But aside from that, waiting for a random brand deals, I think it's not the best way to make money on TikTok. You want to make sure check my other videos on the topic how to make much more money, much easier on the TikTok platform. There is a new update of the terms from Snapchat, as you can see over here, started and effective already since January 1st. Scrolling down, introduction, welcome to Spotlight and entertainment platform user generated content. Okay, we know that. Scroll down. Please also review privacy policy. Okay, as described in more detail below, you may receive payments for your services in connection with your Spotlight activity if your Snapchat account, the snaps you submit to Spotlight, and your payment accounts defined below satisfy the eligibility criteria. Only a small percentage of creators submitting snaps to Spotlight will receive payments. Guys, things are getting serious over here. Requirements and rights for content you submit to Spotlight. Any eligible Snapchat user can submit content to Spotlight. Any snaps submitted to Spotlight are public content as the terms defined. Okay. If you're using services on behalf of the businesses where your business is principal in place, blah blah blah. Because snaps are public content, for any snaps you submit to Spotlight without limiting any other obligations that you may have, you must have unnecessary third-party rights, including without limitations. So obviously, guys, they're hitting very hard on reused content or content that was created by somebody else and you don't have rights to that. Okay, all creators and snaps submitted to Spotlight must comply with the Spotlight terms. Creators who did not comply according to Snap moderator algorithms may not be distributed and deemed ineligible for payments. Spotlight payments eligibility. Pay very close attention over here, guys. So first of all, in order to be eligible for payments, you must submit qualifying snaps, be a qualifying creator, and satisfy all payment account eligibility described below. First of all, what is it qualifying snaps? To be considered qualifying snaps, the snaps that you submitted to Spotlight during the eligibility period must have performed well enough in Spotlight during the eligibility period, calculated based on our proprietary formula to have accumulated at least 10,000 total unique views, included at least 10 unique snaps submitted on the least 5 different days. Guys, this was 1000 before, now it's 10,000. 10,000 unique video views. Do you see what we're even talking about? At least 10 unique snaps submitted of at least 5 snaps utilizing snap creative tools. So you have to use one of these lenses, filters, or sounds to be eligible. Your video might get 10,000 views, right? But if you didn't use none of these special Snapchat creative tools, you're not gonna get eligible for the money. So it's crazy. But I told you, you need to pay very close attention what's going on over here. Qualifying creators. To be considered qualifying creator, you must meet all of the following criteria below. Your country should be eligible. You must have profile set as public. Your Snap account must be at least 1 month old. And you must have at least 1000 followers. Here is the payment account eligibility. In order to be eligible to receive payments, you must all satisfy the payment account eligibility. Okay, what are they? Payments will be allocated in accordance with proprietary payment formula, blah blah blah. Whether you reach the threshold and amount of payment you may be eligible to receive may also be impacted by moderation or content suggestion algorithm procedures. What does it mean? They're gonna cut you something or what? Payment amount for eligible creators will be determined based on final numbers of crystals we have recorded for what creators qualifying activity during the given period. So, first of all, if you're an individual, you must be a legal resident of eligibility country, okay, to have submitted qualified snaps. You must have reached the legal age, at least 16. You must provide us with complete and accurate contact information, including legal first and last name, email, phone number. Okay, you or your business entity applicable must create and complete all necessary requirements for payment accounts. We reserve the right on behalf of ourselves, our affiliates, our third-party payment providers to require verification of the content information. So as you can see over here, guys, things are getting much more strict here, okay? So now, if before you need only 1000 video views to get eligible for payment, now you need 10,000. And you need 1000 followers, and you need to utilize the creator tools, the lenses, the sounds to be eligible for all this, which is simply filtering the people who will be making money even more.
Now, once we're over here, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to Spotlight. Now, this is obviously my Spotlight. Okay, you get the whole point of it. But Spotlight is just like Reels or it's like TikTok. You keep scrolling down and you go get more stuff to watch, you get more stuff to follow, etc. Now, how do you make money off of it? Basically, all you're going to need to do is just have a proper account to add videos on Spotlight. Like now, as you can see, you can upload any video onto Spotlight. Just go ahead and upload videos on Spotlight, and once you start getting views, you can actually monetize yourself through the settings. So you're gonna come here, you're gonna go through settings, you're gonna scroll down where it says I need help. Okay, or you can even report a problem, but I'm gonna go with I need help. Once you do that, it brings you to support. Once it comes to support, you're going to contact the people at Snapchat support to monetize your spotlight if you have enough views and enough followers, and that should do it for you.
Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the dark mode on Snapchat. Let's launch the Snapchat app. Then you want to scroll down and you want to click on your gear icon in the top right corner. When you're at the settings, you want to scroll down to the app appearances, the last option over here. When you click on it, you simply can switch the modules from always dark to always light. You can also match the actual iOS appearance settings. For example, I do have a dark theme on my phone currently, and if I leave this function match the system default, it will simply match and it will have a dark theme. The second option, of course, is to always be light, and the third option will, of course, to always be dark. As you saw, it's just changed. It took a while. Also, Snapchat offers something different, such as the customization and the appearances. So essentially, you can actually change and not only the layout, but the colors, the UI, the experience. So you can play around with this. I haven't seen other apps having these functions to completely change the whole look and make it so custom for your own version. But I mean, if you're up to this, you can go ahead and try to find the new ways. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually delete your Snapchat account. It's very easy. I want you to pay attention, okay? It's not easy simply because they didn't make it easy, but I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna make it easy. Let's launch the Snapchat app first. When you're at your account, I want you to first of all click on the upper right corner on the gear icon, okay? Hit the gear icon. This will launch the settings menu on your Snapchat. Now I want you to scroll slowly all the way to the bottom. This is where you're gonna find account actions, the last option over here. Click on delete account. You see this option, right? Second to the last, delete account. When you click on delete account, you will have an option to input your username, your password, or your phone number instead, whatever option you choose. Then you click next. Then you have to click delete or deactivate your account. This is the new update for 2024. So in this case, you will have up to 30 days if you change your mind to go back and recover your account. This is very important, guys. Once this 30-day period expires, you cannot get your account back anymore. But this is how you delete your Snapchat account. Very easy, very simple, with just 3 clicks over here, guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video we're going to go through the new Snapchat Spotlight requirements for you to be eligible to generate revenue and getting paid from them, okay? This is the new update effective January 1st, so this is very fresh. So all the people that are currently in the program most likely will be affected as well. So the most important part over here is that there are changes of the requirements and the rights to the content that you can submit. Also, there is changes in a way in which the content will be handled. You have to use a particular things, elements to be eligible for you to satisfy the requirements. First thing first, very important. So, first for the creators is that for you to be qualified, you should fall under the eligibility country. So you want to make sure that your country is part of the eligibility list. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to apply even if you met any other of the criteria. The second step over here is that you have to qualify your snaps, meaning that in eligibility criteria in period for the spotlight, you should accumulate at least 10,000 total unique video views. And this include at least 10 unique snaps submitted, or at least 5 in at least 5 different days. considered of at least 5 snaps utilizing creative tools such as lenses, filters, and sounds. So guys, very important. So to be eligible, you need to have at least 10,000 total unique video views. Okay, this is the threshold. 10k views included at least 10 unique snaps submitted on at least 5 different days. So in 5 different days you should submit at least 10 different snaps and they should generate at least 10,000 views. Okay, this is individual 10,000 views. Okay, each video has to generate 10,000 views unique, and on top of all that you should utilize the lenses, the filters, and the sounds. If you miss some of these criteria, you not gonna be eligible for it. And very important, like I mentioned, check your country list first, because if you don't have that, well, if your list is if your country is not part of the list, you cannot get paid because your country is not eligible for. Last but not least, I want to mention over here that to be qualified as a creator, right, you should have on your profile, on your Snapchat account, at least 1 month old presence, okay, and you must have at least 1,000 followers. So this is very important. Let's wrap everything around. Check your country. If your country is eligible, that's okay. Then check your account. If you have 1,000 followers and if you have your account at least for the last 30 days on or 30 days old, okay, and then you should qualify by utilizing the 10,000 video views, unique video views on each of the snaps that you create in the last 5 days. And then you want to make sure that you have at least 5 snaps that are utilizing the creative tools, lenses, filters, sounds to be eligible for the new program updates. Okay guys, for more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can block some of your friends on Snapchat. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the Snapchat app first. The only thing that I should mention before we starting is that you can only block friends. You cannot block random people on your feed. This is a major downside, but I will go through this later on. So let's see over here. We have these friends over here, 2 of them, right? Let's click on the first one. All we want to do right now is when you go to their profile, you want to click on the top right corner on the 3 dots, okay? When you're at the person that you want to block, you click on the 3 dots on the top right corner. And then on the pop-out menu, I want you to click on the first option, which is Manage Friendship. Then you have the option to block them. You have the option also to remove the friend, right? Maybe you don't want to block them, you just don't want to be friends with them anymore. Also, if you want to escalate the situation, if there is a reason for escalation, you can simply report them. This is how you can block someone on Snapchat that is part of your friends. Another reminder, if you try to do the same thing with random person from the feed of Snapchat, you're not going to be able to do it. I don't know why Snapchat doesn't allow you to block people that are not part of your friends. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can share a TikTok video on Snapchat with just 2 simple clicks. Let's launch the TikTok app first. Let's look for a video that we want to share. So for our example over here, we are going to pick this video over here. Let's say for example we want to share this video to Snapchat. Let's click on the arrow under the comment section, and then you see you have 1 menu, 2 menu, 3 menus, right? So what you want to do, you want to focus on this menu over here, and then you want to click on Snapchat chats, okay? This will automatically launch the messages on your Snapchat, and you can select to who of your friends to send this video for, okay? Usually you will have this Snapchat option over here, but this usually works on other videos. This particular video, I don't know why it's not available, but if we go on another video, you will see that you can actually send this as a new post on Snapchat as well. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can share Instagram Reels videos on the Snapchat. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app and let's take a look at the feed. Let's try to find something that we like, that is suitable. Remember, it has to be suitable for the format of Snapchat. This looks like a cool video because Snapchat likes videos like this, fun. So you want to click on the paper airplane under the actual video. You see there is a heart, there is a comment section, and then click on the paper airplane. Then you want to scroll down on this menu over here. You want to scroll to the section, and the last option is Snapchat. You want to click on the Snapchat button, and then you will be able to set this as a brand new post on your own account. You will be able to share it, okay? For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.